Okay, so it's been 2 weeks after the big freeze. And as you can see, the core, not the apple core, but the middle of the bamboo that was covered, if you recall, looks pretty good, but the outside and everything that was touching the blanket and the tarp. Now the blanket was down on top, and then the tarp was on top of the blanket. But it still burned the leaves. But it looks okay down the middle. Everything else is green, green. And that is pretty typical, that kind of mold looking stuff. But everything below the node is still healthy. Now let's go have a look at the other one that was unprotected. Look at that carnage. And look at the results. So looks like the main culm, stock, whatever you want to call it, still looks pretty healthy. The branches, they just kind of look burned. But, I don't know if it'll grow back leaves. I've never seen it grow back any leaves. So I'm thinking soon this will die, turn brown and just fall off or just die. And I'll have to clip it down there. It's the same case here. As you can see, leaves are falling, they're dead. But this is pretty new because it still has its, I'm not sure what these are called. So I don't know if that really offered any protection because it still looks pretty healthy. And it hasn't really branched out yet to make leaves. So maybe that one will come through. But everything else is burnt. I think it might sprout new leaves. We'll see. But it's interesting, down at the bottom is still kind of green. And I'm thinking maybe the fence and the oleanders provided a little protection from the wind, maybe.